Hi everybody, welcome back for step 6, and we are going to be working on the card as our final step. And as you can see here, I used just a strip of our leftover blue stripe paper and the rest of some foiled fancies and also our stencil again. So let's get right to this card. Okay, put this over here. Okay, so you're gonna need some glue stick. Where did I put my glue stick? It's here somewhere. Okay. Well, here it is. I found it. It's under my extraordinarily neat desk that I'm working with here. Everything is in its place, as I'm sure it is like at your home. Okay, so I'm going to take this striped paper, and this is about 4 inches wide with a torn edge at the bottom. So it's just a piece that is left over from when we tore the paper for the canvas. I'm just using the scissors, just cutting off the excess on either side. See how I turn the card over to do that? That way you get a perfect fit when you trim. Okay, then we're going to take the stencil, just set that over there. You could use some stencil tape to tape this down, but I'm just going to live dangerously and not quite do that. I'm taking some of my pink paste, and I'm just going to be starting at the top edge, oops, going down. Getting more there when I need it. Okay. No, I am really living dangerously because now I have to pick up my container, which is never good. If you have to like let go of the stencil at any point, I probably should have used stencil tape because I didn't put enough paint on my counter here. Here we go. Okay, going back very carefully. I think we're good. It didn't shift. This paste by Bo Bunny is really nice and thick. So once it's on your stencil, it kind of just glues everything in place. There we go. Oops. Okay, I think that is well covered. And we're going to hold down the card and then peel. There we go. And of course, clean your stencil up right away. And then if you have some extending off the edge there, get the squeegee and do that. Oh, let's see, I need some more baby wipes. Inevitably, if I don't clean up my craft mat right away, I set something in it, something important in it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the frame from the foiled fancies. Now, I would normally let the stenciled image dry for about 5 minutes before putting this on, but we're just going to drop that on real easy and not disturb that. Okay, so while that's drying, I have the large double rose foiled fancy. And I'm going to do some pretty heavy sanding on this. Because what I'm doing is I'm removing that gold finish from all of the embossed edges. That's coming right off. And it leaves the gold finish on the lower debossed areas. Okay. So you can see that. Oops, pretty shiny. It really just gives it a silvery gold look. It's very pretty. That's probably my favorite way to alter the foiled fancies. is to just give it a good old sand. Okay, now see how those are just kind of laying on the edges of that frame? There we go. And the last part is our, boy, I'm setting things down tonight and then I can't find them. Don't you hate that? Okay, well, the last part is our wish charm. I'm looking for it, everybody. I have a little box here. I found it. Okay. Once again, it's on my immaculate desk. So, here we have the wish charm. And just going to give that some sanding on the edges there. Go, and this can just go on with glue stick. And just overlapping this bottom edge. All right, there we go. There you have it. All right, that finishes up July's kit. I hope you come back for August. We have another really fun project for you that kind of goes along with August and vacations. So we'll see you back in August, and be sure to leave comments if you have any questions or tell me what you're doing with your projects. All right, bye-bye.